Cuisine should be both appealing and delightful for anyone who is having it. But unfortunately, someone's meat can be another's poison, as evidently shown here. There are no zombies yet, so there should not be a need to resort to such barbaric diets. Why are zombies mentioned? It has to start from this photo. This is quite an interesting billboard ad. As it asked a question, someone has to answer it. This is the best answer I have found so far, and it reflects my viewpoint too. With regards to the horse and rabbit, there is no need for either a crisis or depression to happen, both are actually being eaten presently. Surprise surprise, Canadians, who are the better type of North Americans, do eat horse meat. As for rabbit, you can ask either Daffy Duck or Elmer Fudd. Okay, bad joke. What I wanted to say was the English. This was from the Borough Market, located in England's London by the way. So don't just target Asians for eating such meats too. But anyway, between 75 and 78 years ago, there was World War II. It was sure as heck a crisis. During it, normal meat were rare to obtain. Therefore Americans have to tap into a meat supply of a different animal, which was horse meat. Fortunately in present days, they do not consume them anymore. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for dogs and cats living in China, as its citizens have acquired a taste for both, and they will not be changing their appetite for the time being. Closing the wet markets is only a temporary measure. Eventually, when things are settled, they will reopen. For the record, I'm not telling all of you to try the meat, but instead, let's just keep to the usual poultry, cattle, and seafood. All in all, what I'm saying is, people eat what they can find, it's just the way of life. Do not hate on them if they do eat something which is not widely acceptable. That is their food culture after all. Perhaps what can be done about it is to improve the handling of such unorthodox food, such as ensuring the wildlife do not carry any harmful diseases or ensuring the ingredients are fully cooked. That's all for now, and I shall see you next time.